If you need to edit a PDF, convert a document, or sign a file fast, but don't want to pay a fortune for expensive software, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to download and activate EaseUS PDF Editor so you can start editing your documents right away. First things first, if you don't have the software installed yet, head down to the description or pinned comment right below this video and click the free download link. It is completely free to try. That link brings you straight to the official EaseUS website. Just click the free download button on Windows or Mac and get the right installer for your system. The best part about the free version is that it actually gets the job done. You get complete access to edit your documents with just a few light limits like a 3-page export cap. Once the installer downloads, open it and follow the quick setup prompts, which includes accepting the licensing agreement. When you're done with the installation, launch the program. You will land right here on the main dashboard, which is a clean, super intuitive layout that feels just like Microsoft Word. Before we activate, let's look at what you can actually do with the free version right now. Out of the box, you can view any document, edit text and images, highlight passages, add notes, and even test out the OCR text recognition feature. The free version lets you convert, split, and merge up to 3 pages at a time, which is perfect for quick, small tasks. But if you are working with longer documents, need batch processing, or want to remove the EaseUS watermark from your saved files, that's where the Pro version comes in. So let's complete the activation. Take a look at the top right corner of the main dashboard. You will see a button that says Activate. Click on that. A pop-up window will appear on your screen. If you already purchased a license code, look for the option that says Enter License. Quick tip: if you don't have a license key yet, don't buy it at full price. Remember to check the video description or pinned comment below and click our 50% off discount link to grab your key at half price before moving to the next step. In the pop-up window, click inside the text box. Copy your product key from your purchase confirmation email. Paste it directly into the box to avoid any typos, and click the blue OK button. In just a couple of seconds, you will see a confirmation message saying your license is active. All feature limits, page caps, and watermarks are instantly removed, giving you total access to unlimited conversions, full OCR, and batch editing. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy editing.